Celestina joins us live now for more on that development. Help us understand the operation of the Office of the Kogi State Public Defender. Is this legal representation pro bono, and who pays for it?
Well, this is a very laudable initiative put up by the Kogi State government. We know that the government paid the prosecution council. What they stand to do is also the government to pay the defense council. As you know, justice is for everyone, the rich, the poor, the indigent. The way we have social basic amenities like right to food, right to pipe-on water, that is the same way every Nigerian has right to qualitative justice. But this initiative has been embraced by 36 states out of the 36 states in the Federation. We know it's been done in Lagos State, it's been done in Ogun State, and now Kogi State, and three other states. So what it means is that persons who couldn't afford lawyers, they have right to the Ministry of Justice. There is a department there where they can get lawyers who can defend them for free. But because this is done, because most of the times we have congestion of our prisons, persons are there, not be able to put their case in court. But this tends to breach that gap.
All right, so how does the government intend to bridge the gap when it comes to quality representation? Concerned about what kind of lawyers have subscribed to these and what kind of lawyers that will be representing the vulnerable?
Well, they are lawyers who are trained by the Nigerian Law School, and they're also senior advocates of Nigeria. But what this tends to do is lawyers will be paid by the government so that every person can have rights to justice. And I spoke with the organizers of this event, and I asked them, I said, how sure are Nigerians going to get qualitative justice in terms of defense, considering the fact that they would say this is a government job and will not be serious about it? She said, if the government can pay the judges, if the government can pay the prosecution council, why can't the government not also pay the defense council? So it's just a way of bringing justice closer to the people of Kogi State. I
get your point precisely. When does this start, and how can anybody in Kogi State access it?
Well, the governor of Kogi State signed up last month, precisely 4th of June, and this training tends to educate lawyers, sensitize them on the need of defense investigation, how to carry out a defense. But so far, I've not been able to establish how soon it will kick off. But I believe after this training, instruments will be put in place, apparatus will be put in place, so as for citizens and indigents of Kogi State can access this program.
So Kogi State government has created an Office of Public Defender to bridge the gap between the rich and poor when it comes to quality representation. Let's see how that plays out in time. Thank you for talking to us, Celestina.